How healthy is your diet? If you're like most people trying to lose weight, you probably overestimate just how nutritious your meals and snacks are. In fact, only about 1 in 4 people rate their diet accurately, according to a new study. Researchers recruited more than 115 adults who wanted to drop a few pounds, had them meet with a dietitian, and then asked them to track everything they ate or drank for 1 year. At the end, the researchers scored their diets based on their intake of fruits, vegetables, whole and refined grains, meat and seafood, sodium, fats, and sugars. The participants also scored their new eating habits on a scale of 0 to 100. The results? Their numbers only matched about 25% of the time. On average, the participants' perceived score was about 68 compared to the expert score of 56, and the change in diet quality from start to finish was minimal. A spokesperson for the American Heart Association says overestimating the perceived healthiness of food intake could lead to weight gain, frustrations over not meeting personal weight loss goals, or lower likelihood of adopting healthier eating habits. More research is needed to help people close the gap between their diet perceptions and reality.